Hello! Welcome to our class. I am your teacher for today. My name is Teacher Anna. Can you say it for me? Teacher Anna. Very good. How about you? You are? Oh, Jason. Jason, can you please state in complete sentence your name? My name is Jason. Please repeat. Very good, Jason. How are you feeling today? I hope you are happy because today I will be sharing to you a new lesson that you will be excited about. Are you ready? Jason, can you give me a thumbs up if you're ready? Now, Jason, look at this picture. Can you see on the picture? What is the picture all about? A bird. Very good. Jason, that is our main lesson for today. It will be all about the birds. Are you excited? Thank you, Jason. Now, look at this picture. Jason, can you read together the question on the picture? Ready, start. Can all birds fly? Can you say it again? Can all birds fly? Jason, can all birds fly? That will be our main discussion for today, and I hope you are ready and excited. Now, look at this picture, Jason. What animals do you like? Oh, plenty of them. Now, Jason, before sharing what animals do you like, we will name together these animals. Are you ready? Very good. Now, Jason, what is the name of this animal? A dog. Very good. How about this one? A cat. Very good. This one? Ah, a giraffe. Very good, Jason. And because of that, I'll be giving you your star. How about this giant here? Elephant. Very good, Jason. How about this one? A tiger. And this one here is a monkey. Very good. Now, Jason, I have here another one. Very cute one. What is this animal? Wow, a bird. Very good. Now again, on the question, what animals do you like? Dog, very good. And a bird. Okay, very good, Jason. Because today we will be centering our discussion all about the birds and focus on the question that we have read earlier. Now, Jason, look at this one. What bird is it? A magpie. Can we say in complete sentence, Jason? This is a magpie. Very good. Jason, have you seen a magpie? Oh, okay. Now, Jason, look at the picture. What are the colors of the feathers of a magpie? Very good, Jason. You did a great job. Look at the picture. Magpies have two colors, white and black feathers. Very good, Jason. Now, how about this one? How many magpies are there? Excellent. There are two magpies. Can we count together, Jason? Okay, one and two. So how many magpies are there? There are two magpies. Say it again. Very good, Jason. Now here, plenty of magpies. Now, Jason, we will read together this sentence. Magpies are birds. Can you say it for me? Very good. Jason, don't forget, magpies are birds. Now let's count together how many magpies are there on the picture. Can you count it for me? One. Very good. Next. Two. Excellent. Next. 3. Good. And 4 magpies. I will be giving you your medal. Jason, you're so great. Now, next, look at this picture. Click and find all the magpies, my dear Jason. You can encircle the magpies and let's count together. 1. Next. Very good. 2. Next. 3. Next. Wow, very good. And excellent. You have your star. You have your medal. There are how many magpies are there in the picture? There are 5 magpies. Very good, Jason. Now, next. These are very important lesson for us. Magpies are birds. Can you say it for me again? Very good. Second sentence. Magpies can fly. Say it again for me. Very good. Remember, Jason, magpies are birds. Very good. And magpies can fly. Thumbs up. Very good. Excellent. Next challenge. Okay. What bird is it? Jason, can I hear you? Very good. Oh my God. Jason, a star for you. This is a penguin. Say it again. Very good. This is a penguin. Again, this is a penguin. Now this one, Jason. How many penguins are there? Let's count together. 1, 2. So there are 2 penguins. Very good. A mother penguin and a baby penguin. Oh, there are so many penguins. And Jason, can you read this sentence for me? Penguins are birds. Can you repeat it for me? Penguins are birds. Very good, Jason. Remember that. Penguins are birds. Now, look at this picture. Can you find the correct penguin's wing for me, Jason? Can you encircle the correct wing of the penguin? Can you do it now? Oh, Jason, you did a great job. And by that, I'll be giving you your medal. Very good. Now, this one. Let us read and remember these statements. Penguins are birds. Can you say it for me? Very good. Penguins are birds. Next, penguins cannot fly. Say it again. Very good, Jason. Remember that. So saying with a magpie, penguins are birds also, but penguins cannot fly. That's their difference. Okay? Okay, next. Now here, to wrap up what we have learned today, look at this picture and let us read and say it together. Jason, magpies are birds. Very good. Next, magpies can fly. Excellent. Next, penguins are birds. Very good. And next, penguins cannot fly. Please don't forget that. Again, magpies are birds. Magpies can fly. Penguins are very good. And penguins cannot fly. Next, you have to answer these questions. First, can penguins fly? Very good. They cannot fly. Good job. Great job, my dear Jason. And here, are magpies birds? Yes, they are birds. Very good. Now, To wrap up everything in our lesson today, let us remember this sentence. Again, Jason, let us read and say it together. Magpies are birds. Yes, magpies can fly. Very good. Next, penguins are birds. And penguins cannot fly. Okay, Jason. Do you learn something for today? Thank you so much, Jason, for being so attentive and cooperative. You did a great job, and you will be given a medal. And I would be glad to see you soon in the future. See you in the next class, and I would be glad to share to you the next and succeeding topics for you to learn more. Are you excited for it? Now, Jason, I'll see you around next time. Thank you so much for cooperating and being with me today. Bye bye. Have a great day.